clips. If anybody knows where these go, please let me know, because I have no idea. Yo, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm gonna change it up a little bit. I'm gonna work on the my Plymouth Roadrunner. You see it's out the garage because it's sitting right here. What I want to do is try to put in a headliner. Now I know I'm not gonna get it 100% done because I don't have any contact cement, and the contact cement is to cement it. Let me show you around, because it goes over and around, and it tucks around the yeah, where the windshield goes. And I believe it also some parts tuck behind here along this window channel here, this rear window channel. So since I don't have a contact cement, I'll probably just get the bars in and try to put it in that much. I got the boards that put it over here, and also got to cut out a hole for the light, the inside light there. So it's sorry about the noise. It's all open right here. And this is what I was talking about, the light. I have to put that in there. Now, I know that the bars go along those channels. Let me show you, so I can get you a closer look here. I believe they go inside of here or here. I think they go inside of here. I can't remember exactly. And I know these are some of the pulls that pulls it a little tight. And the cardboard I was talking about, it actually goes down and covers all that up, and it's got these spikes here to lock it in place, also on that side there. Now I have the other parts, and let's see, the spikes here to lock it in place, and I have the other parts to lock it in, and got it all cleaned up. I just don't know how to put it in. I watched a YouTube video a year ago, but I can't remember. And these are the parts here. I know these are some of them. I just don't remember how they go. I'll probably have to look it up, but and I'm sure I'm not going to get it all in, but I wanted to show you guys a little bit of it, because this car hasn't been on the channel yet, so this is going to be its debut. And I got all the other bars right here, and they was labeled when I had the all the body work done on the car. They had to pull it out because I didn't know how to get it out, so they pulled it out and labeled everything. So I'm gonna try to put these bars in and go from there and see what happens. Figured out how it goes. So I got this side on right here. I'm missing one clip right there, but I was able to get this on, and boy, that was hard. So I didn't take it off, so I'm not sure how it goes back on, but I'm kind of figuring it out. It's like, you know, those old Lego stuff. You put it together, if it don't look right, take it apart and do it again. So now I'm gonna do this side. So I know from doing this part, I have to put that one on first and then this top one. So let's see here. So these little doohickeys here, to line those up, and then that go there like that. And I thought maybe they just snap in, but you have to actually pull them and twist them like that, and it locks it in. Like that is I never had anything like that on no new car. They either little plastic thing that break or they one-time use. But this, boy. All right, got that one in. Like I said, I'm still missing the back ones. I'm gonna have to order those. And then put this top one in. And on the other side, I had to bang it in there. So I'm gonna try to do it on this side too. Get it in there. And these all have to be straight. Let's see, we need to go a little bit more. The reason why they had to take this out because they replaced the roof skin on here. So that's why I had to get this replaced, get this pulled off. Yeah, I don't think, oh, this part is original. The trunk is original. The floor had totally replaced front to back. Now they did tell me that, oh, we can probably, you know, for the quarters and stuff, the sides, we might could fix those. I was like, no, go ahead, replace it. If it's got rust or hole in it, only one I told them they have to, well, they told me they have to cut and patch is the front driver's fender, or was it the passenger? I think it was a front driver. You can't get those fenders anymore, and the ones that's out there, they're going for like $2,000 or $3,000 a fender. Some you can get a little bit cheaper, but they're gonna be damaged some kind of way. And if you want it perfect, you gotta spend that perfect money. So I think that's it. Let's grab the headliner and see if we could put that in there. Now, normally it's like this cotton stuff that you put on here. You spray and glue it and then put the headliner. But I have the lizard skin noise reducer and the lizard skin heat barrier on here. So right now, am I sitting on it, under it? I don't feel the heat that much. Besides being out here, I feel the heat. Being right here, it's a tiny bit warm, but not when I touch it outside. It's hot. Okay, so let's grab that real quick. All right, so I'm not sure where to start, honestly. Let's see, 1, 2. Let's start with 3. I believe this is 3. That doesn't look right. Oh, 1 second. Alright, so I figured it out. I have to have these little clips, and let me show you here. So I'll put them on this side, all right here. And those little clips is what hold the wire thing better. Let me see here. those clips are used to lock the end of the material. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. I only have 6. No, 5. But I got 6 bars. I got 6 bars though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm just gonna slow this a little bit. And then once I start pulling it back and letting this sit, it might stretch out even more. It might come in even better. Plus I can heat it up and stretch. I'm not sure how to do the sides yet, but I'm pretty sure I'll figure it out. But just like right here, it looks okay. Oh shit. And I'm not sure about the back there. How to do that. I know it's got to put those teeth things in, but that's it of the headliner almost installation, but we'll be back on it. I have to order this clip, and I was just checking to see if the back bumper is still on back order from AMD. Yes, they are. They're still on back order. One day I'll get one, but other than that, I have to order this clip, and then I need some contact cement and some other little things to get this finished wrapped up here, and slowly start putting it back together. And I think that is it. One day I'll get wheels and tires, because those been on it since I had it, and I don't like it. No sir, don't like it. So that's a whole nother issue. Other than that, that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna finish cleaning out my garage. I know you guys don't want to see none of that, so I'm gonna finish cleaning that out since I got this car out, and I'll check back with you guys. Sorry for the short video, but please comment, like, subscribe, stick with me, please. And we're gonna have some more stuff coming out, and I do have some other stuff in the works that we're gonna be making the channel real exciting. It's going to be fun, so I'm looking forward to that, and also working on the CTS wagon to finish the engine and get the twin turbo setup on there, and that's it. And I just want to get this finished up, because it's not going to be like a car I'm going to drive all the time. It's probably once every blue moon or orange moon or red moon, one of them moons, I don't know, but it won't be driven that much. I did drive it around the block a little bit, and that's about it. So I don't want to keep rambling on. So guys, thank you so much. Please come back, comment, like, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever the case may be.